I'm gonna be scared. Okay. The snow goes right on the mountains tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, in the quiet and the cold. The wind is howling like this one storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Confused, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. And I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's when it happens, makes everything seem small. And the fears that once controlled me can't keep me at all. It's time to see what I give you, to test the limits and myself. No right or wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never truly cry. Live I say, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on. The power flurries through the air and through the ground. My soul is bearing the breathful fragrance all around. And when the crystallized like an icy glass, I'll never go back. The past is in the past. Let it go, let it go. And all I was expecting, let it go, let it go. That time is gone, it's gone. Until I stand in the light of day, let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. She said thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Let the storm rage on.